What's going on, guys? Aaron Baker here. Today we're going to be going over some of the adjustment capabilities of our Series 105 operable window. We offer our operable windows in a casement configuration as well as an awning, and in both of those options we have the push out and crank out. Today we'll be highlighting the capabilities of our three-way adjustable hinge used on our crank out casements. With these hinges, you can adjust your sash vertically in the opening, up and down, in to out for better compression, and left to right. As we know that not all openings are perfect in the field, we have found that this hinge assembly can help accommodate those tough openings. In order to adjust these hinges, the tools that you're going to need is a 4mm Allen and a 2.5mm Allen. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys. Moving the sash vertically in the opening, I'm going to take the 4mm Allen, insert it here on the top of the hinge assembly, rotate that Allen until I get the sash where I need it to be. If I need to adjust my compression, I'm going to take my 4mm right here in the center of the hinge, rotate it appropriately to add compression or remove compression. Lastly, for left to right, I'm going to take that 2.5mm down here at this tiny little Allen key, rotate it accordingly to meet your needs in the field. Now that we've shown you guys how to adjust a crank out casement, walk you guys through how to adjust the brake on a push out casement or awning. All you will need to do this adjustment is simply a Phillips head screwdriver. Say you want that sash to open a little slower as you're applying pressure to open it, we're gonna go ahead and tighten down the brake on that hinge assembly. Highlighted here, you can see that the brake is embodied in a black plastic housing. If I want to apply more brake, I'm just simply going to tighten that. If I wanted to open more freely, we're going to go ahead and loosen that fastener. Utilizing that 4mm Allen wrench as well as the 2.5mm, we were able to adjust that sash vertically in the opening, left to right, as well as the compression in to out. Again, your top Allen here is going to be your up and down utilizing that 4mm. Your middle Allen there utilizing that 4mm again is going to be your compression. And lastly, the 2.5 down at the bottom is going to be your left and right in the opening. Thank you guys again for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at service@awakewdc.com. Have a blessed day.